Want to remove unwanted areas around your video or change its framing? Clipchamp makes it easy to crop videos and focus on the most important part of your footage. In this guide, I'll show you how to crop a video in Clipchamp step by step in 2026. First, open Clipchamp and create a new project or open an existing one. Import your video and drag it onto the timeline. Select the video clip so its editing controls appear. With your video selected, look for the crop option in the editing controls. Select it to enter the crop view. You'll see adjustable edges around your video that you can use to change the visible area. Now drag the crop handles inward to remove unwanted areas. You can crop from the sides, top, or bottom depending on how you want your video framed. Keep the important subject inside the visible area. After adjusting the crop, reposition the visible area if needed. Move the video so the main subject is centered or placed where you want it. Yeah, this is especially useful when preparing videos for different screen sizes. When the framing looks right, select the option to apply or confirm the crop. Clipchamp will return you to the editing timeline with the new framing applied to your video. Now preview the entire clip and make sure nothing important has been cut off. Check the edges, subject position, and overall composition. If the framing isn't right, go back and adjust the crop again. When you're happy with the result, select Export and choose the video quality you need. Wait for Clipchamp to finish processing, and your newly cropped video will be ready to share. And that's how to crop a video in Clipchamp in 2026. Select your video, use the crop tool, adjust the framing, preview your result, and export the finished video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.